Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 tips for creating YouTube Shorts that have the potential to go viral. YouTube Shorts have taken the platform by storm. If you're looking to grow your channel and reach a wider audience, creating Shorts is a great way to do so. So with not waste any more time, we'll dive into these 5 tips right away. Tip number 1, keep it short and sweet. Remember, Shorts are meant to be quick, snappy, and attention grabbing. So aim to keep your shorts under 60 seconds and make sure that you get to the point quickly. Keep in mind that most people scrolling through their feeds are looking for something that will capture their attention quickly and then keep them engaged. The second tip that I'm going to give you is to grab your viewers' attention right from the start. Start your shorts with something attention grabbing, whether it's a catchy introduction, a bold statement, or an unexpected twist. This will help your shorts stand out in the sea of content and keep your viewers watching. Moving on, my third tip is to use trends and challenges in your shorts. Jumping on a popular trend or challenge can be a great way to get your shorts in front of a wider audience. So keep an eye on what's trending on the platform and try to incorporate it into your shorts in a creative way. The fourth tip is to add music and sound effects into your shorts. Music and sound effects can add an extra layer of entertainment to your shorts, and it can help you set the tone of your video as well. Just make sure that the music or sound effects you use are appropriate for the content that you're creating, but definitely use that. Finally, the fifth tip is to promote your shorts. Share your shorts on other social media platforms, embed them in your blog post, and include them in your email, newsletters, etc. This will help you promote your shorts. The more you promote your shorts, the more likely they are to be seen and shared by a wider audience. Lastly, I want to share a tip with you that might help you getting more views or making your short go viral even, and that is to upload your short and wait for at least a couple of hours, maybe 2 to 3 hours. See how many views you got on your short after you uploaded that. So let's say if you normally get 1,000 views on your shorts, but this particular video got you only 50 views or 100 views, that means there's definitely something wrong. So what you can do is you can simply go ahead and delete the short and then re-upload the short. A lot of people are doing it right now and it seems to be working for them, and their shorts are getting viral, they're getting a lot of views. So definitely, if you worked hard on creating that video and you're not getting enough views, you believe that you should be getting more views, try doing that. Delete the video, re-upload. Do the proper SEO of your video as well. Make sure that you SEO your video properly so that you can get views from the shorts feed as well as the search results. That will help you get even more views. And there you actually have it. 5 tips for creating shorts that have the potential to go viral. Remember, creating shorts takes time and practice, but with these tips that I just gave you, you'll be well on your way to creating engaging, attention-grabbing shorts that'll help you grow your channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.